Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn with Manglam. In today's video we are going to discuss about Accenture verbal ability latest questions. Okay, so we are going to solve all questions which is asked in Accenture exam. Okay, so guys, if you are solving with me, then I think you can practice very well for verbal ability. Okay, all chapters will be covered in this section in this video. So we are going to discuss one by one. The first question we are going to solve. So you can see, choose the correct option to complete this sentence. So like this type of questions can be asked in Accenture verbal ability section. Now you can see the manager assigned task to everyone in the team, but he didn't explain it blanks in detail. So basically, if you are solving verbal ability question, then what I suggest, you can use option elimination technique. What are the option elimination? So basically you have to solve by options. So basically you can see options like A in the first, the in the first, A in the first, and D in the first. Okay, so what two options you have? A and D for first blank. Okay, first blank. So what can be that can be the answer, like task, the task. No, D can be the answer, D cannot be the answer. Okay, so basically this is eliminated, this is eliminated. Now what you have, basically you two options you have, like A and C. Okay, now you can see first A is fitting over here. It are task to everyone in the team, but he didn't explain it in detail. Okay, at details that can't be the answer. Okay, so basically what is the correct answer? C is the correct answer. This is the correct answer, A and in detail basically. Okay, so this is the correct answer for this. So in this way you can solve the question in verbal ability. You can use option elimination. First you have to see the option, what option can be the answer and what maximum you can take, right? So in this way, so this is the correct answer. Now second option, he is proficient. Okay, multiple language which makes him assess our international team. Okay, so basically now again, he is proficient multiple language in can be the answer for first phase. At, okay, at multiple language can't be the answer. In yes, in first phase can be the answer. At multiple language, no, it can't be the answer. Now we have two options. In, okay, so we can put in multiple language which makes me him asset to our international team. No, this can't be the answer for our international team. Okay, this can be the answer. This is the correct answer for this one. So in this way we can solve this question. Now next, to the correct verb from. So by the time police arrived, this is the past tense, the thieves the area. Okay, so like have left, had left, were leaving. Okay, this can't be the answer. Left the area. Okay, so basically we have to choose the correct verb also. Okay, so basically this can't be the answer. What is the answer? This is the answer because sentence is in past tense. Okay, so basically this can be the answer. This is the correct answer. By the time police arrived, the thieves had basically had left the area. Okay, so this is the correct answer. V is the correct option. Okay, sorry, this is the one. Now next question. She blank in the London for 5 years before she moved to Paris. Now we have to check the options. Has lived. Okay, can be the answer. Had lived, was living, not the answer, can't be the answer. Lives can't be the answer. Okay, we have two options, has lived or had lived. Now what we have to do, for 5 years before she moved to Paris, so it is on a past. So basically had lived, we have to use this one. Okay, so basically she had lived in London for 5 years before she moved to Paris. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Now choose the correct synonyms for the word admonish. Okay, so what is the correct word for admonish? So basically you have to know about this word. So basically admonish, like it is like warning type, like whenever you are giving warning. So this is the correct synonyms for this one, warning. If you are asking for antonyms, then I think praise can be the antonyms, but it can't be the synonyms. Ignore also can't be the synonym. Assist also can't be the synonyms. This is the kind of warning type. Admonish also kind of warning type. So it is the correct answer, warn, right? So this is the synonyms of admonish. Okay, and guys, one more thing I will provide, I will create a sheet for antonyms and synonyms also, so you can practice from for verbal ability and Accenture or other companies also. So you can put the comment if you want the sheet, then I will try to create definitely as soon as possible. Just put a comment only. Okay, now next question, choose the correct antonyms of the benevolent. Okay, so basically it is like antonyms, it is like a kind behavior. Like benevolent means the kind something, right? So opposite you need to find. So kind can't be the answer, selfish also can't be the answer, and charitable can't be the answer. This is the correct answer, cruel. Okay, so basically this is the correct answer, correct antonyms of benevolent. Okay, now next, find the error. Okay, you need to find the error. What is the error in this sentence? So basically here you can see correctly neither of the answers given by the students were correct. Okay, what is the correct, the incorrect or the error in this sentence? Neither can't be the answer, answers can't be the answers, were incorrect. Okay, so correct can't be the answer, where. Okay, basically in neither, you know, like in 12th and 10th you like used to know that one, that neither nor, right? So we are using neither nor, not where. Okay, so basically if nor is there, then it is the correct answer, and where it is the incorrect. So that is the correct answer, where only. Okay, now identify the incorrect part of this sentence. So basically what is the incorrect part of this sentence? He is the best dancer in the school, isn't it? Okay, so basically this is the correct answer. From this one, na, isn't it? Before that one, it is a correct answer, like correct sentence. He is the best dancer in the school. This is the correct sentence. So what is the correct answer? Is, no, the, no, isn't it? Okay, so this is the incorrect part for this sentence. So we have to make this one is the correct answer, because it doesn't make any sense for this sentence, right? So basically this is the correct answer, isn't it? Okay, this is the incorrect part of the sentence. Now next, so like basically for this type of questions we have to take option also. We have to use option elimination technique. Okay, so I will arrange the sentence to form a like a paragraph. So basically we have to make the paragraph include these 4 sentences. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to look the options. We have to look options 4 1 4 1. So basically it is starting from options will be 4 and 1 only. So basically you can check the 4 and 1 sentence, what it is looking like. The fourth one, we are checking the weather was coming pleasant in the morning, the skies were covered with the dark clouds. Okay, so basically it is starting with weather, so we are talking about the weather, so we can take this one. Okay, it means the 4, this cannot be the answer, and this cannot be the answer. So we have eliminated 2. Now we have 2 options, so basically we have to choose between these 2. Okay, A and C. Okay, now 4 and 2. So basically in C, 2 and 1. So basically the weather was calm and pleasant in the morning. Now if we check 2, soon it started to rain heavily. So basically it doesn't make any sense, right? Basically, so what is the correct one? So it can't be the answer. If we find any clue, like if we find any sentence incorrect, then we can directly take the incorrect and we can choose. Like, so it is not time taking process. We can find the answers easily in within the time also, right? So basically now the weather was calm and pretty in the morning, the sky was covered with the dark. Then 2, soon it started rain heavily, then people quickly took settled under the trees and bus stop. So this is the correct answer. So in this way we can find out, like by using option elimination technique. So this is the correct way to solve the verbal ability question. So we can find this way. So this is the correct answer, 4 1 2 3. A is the correct answer. Now arrange the sentence to form a meaningful paragraph. So basically this is also a paragraph. He submitted the report, finally he could relax. He worked on it for weeks. The boss was pleased with his work. Okay, so we can see the option 3 4 1 2. Okay, this is the difficult one. So basically we need to, he submitted the report, he worked on it for weeks. Okay, so we can start from here. Like suppose he worked on it for weeks, then he submitted the reports, then the boss was pleased with his work, then finally he could relax. I think in this way we can do. So 4, if we check for 4, like the boss, no, this can't be the answer. First he submitted the report, this can't be the answer. 2, finally he could relax, no, this can't be the answer. Easily we found out that one, right? Easily we found out. So basically if we check the options, the 4, the boss, it can't be the start from this one. 4, first he submitted the report, directly it can't be the start from the he submitted the report, because it doesn't make any sense, right? 2, finally he could relax. So basically is it the last also, last sentence? So it can't be the answer. So correct answer we easily find in that is 3 1 4 2, that is A is the correct answer. Okay, let me put the now. Okay, so in this way you can solve these questions, these paragraph questions. So I think in this video I have covered mostly questions which is asked in a latest exam of Accenture, and next part I will cover soon. Like I will cover more questions on verbal ability. Till now you can practice like this. You can practice the correct antonyms and synonyms also, fill in the blanks also, and this paragraph. So basically what I told you, this option elimination techniques are very amazing techniques. Mostly questions will be solved by this technique. Okay, so basically in this video I have discussed about these questions. I hope you like this video, and next upcoming videos we are going to solve multiple questions from quants, logical ability and verbal ability also. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching.